Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Team Sleepyhead. I am Sarina. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great start to your Sunday. By the way, it's very hot. I hope you're having a great Sunday. And today's Sunday talk is going to be very interesting because I'm going to share with you certain things that I'm very grateful for that has happened in 2020, 2021. So let's get into the video. So I hope you've enjoyed the previous video where I sang a song I sang a song on Republic Day, a tribute to the Indian heroes, brave Indian heroes who gave up their life for us. I hope you enjoyed that video. But today I'm going to talk about, today's Sunday talk topic is about things I'm grateful for. This video is pretty much very special because I think the things I am grateful for, most people should be grateful also for, is so number one, I'm very grateful for during the lockdown period and COVID period, like now also we are in the COVID times only. During this time, something that I have learned a lot is to just find happiness within myself. That is number one, that I'm very grateful to have found happiness within myself. We are such human beings, we go out a lot, instead of finding happiness in your own family, in your own self, in your own self and in your own family, we go out to find happiness. We go out to look for happiness. We are always in my age, all of us, basically all my friends and everyone I know, is whenever I call them, they are like, hey Sarina, we are outside, we'll talk to you later. It's not like I'm insulting you guys, don't worry, I'm not insulting anyone. Then they call me back, they're like, oh yeah, I'm sorry, we went out with friends and stuff, we're chilling. But the same friends of mine actually go out every day to find peace and happiness within their friends. The basic thing that lockdown has taught me is that no matter what happens, at the end of the day, your home is your happiness. Because this lockdown, there was this, like, the period of that 5 months lockdown that we had, we couldn't go out, nothing. That period, I was getting so frustrated because the same faces every day I was seeing. But that happened to me initially. But eventually what happened to me was that, dude, whatever happens, at the end of the day, your family is going to stick with you only. This COVID has actually brought us to our families together and taught us that, इधर उधर मत भटकाओ, अपने घर में आके बैठो. You see how much happiness you can find in your family also. We have had a tough time during the lockdown as well, family wise, anything. We have had fights, arguments, everything has happened. Every family has had that fight, arguments, because you're seeing the same faces every day, you're getting frustrated, irritated. At the end of the day, the other day I was sitting with my mom and we were talking that, anything happens, my mom was saying, Sarina, anything happens, at the end of the day, your family is your family and you have to keep it bounded and very close to your heart, because that's the only thing that will remain with you, even in an earthquake, even in a drought, even COVID, even during any disaster, natural calamities, your family will only stick with you. So this is your happiness. Do not move away from here. And honestly, I have learned that. This is number one. I'm very grateful for this. Number two, I'm very grateful that during this lockdown period, I started looking after myself. Before that, because school was open, before that I was going to school, so I was not really taking care of my health and I was not drinking much water. I was eating unhealthy stuff, just gorging on any unhealthy food. But this lockdown has really helped me to look after myself. I've become a lot more healthier, touch wood, and I have become a lot calmer in my own space and very happier, just it just helped me to look after myself a lot, give time to myself, give time. And before this I was very unhealthy, I was very fat, bloated. Now I'm not saying I've become thin and slim and looking all good and all, not like that, but I've become very, very cautious about my health. Before I used to not even care. I'm like, eat, die. Now I'm like, no, eat also, look after your body. It's important to feel happy, honestly, because if your hormones are imbalanced, you feel depressed, anxietic, but if you start losing weight, if you start becoming healthy, losing weight is stuck in my head. If you start becoming healthy, you feel happy. You have good happy hormones in your body. You have serotonin in your body. They run very fast, so you feel happy. So that is number 2 that I'm very grateful for, that I've started looking after myself. Number 3 is one thing I'm very grateful and very ungrateful also for is we are very untouched with our studies. We have absolutely moved away from our studies because online exams, online classes has brought so much frustration to us students. Personally, it's not like I'm insulting online classes, it's not bad, but also it is very frustrating that everything's happening online. We want to go to school, we want to sit on that bench, we want to write our paper on that bench of ours, we want to use ourselves, we want to put ourselves, we want to go to the library of our school, we want to do this with our friends, that with our friends. That's not happening. So that I'm very ungrateful for, rather I would not say grateful for. But one more point that has happened and I'm very grateful for is online classes has taught me to be very very meticulous, very punctual, because online classes, they give us timings that from 8 to 9 you have this class, 9 to 10, and I used to never follow time. I was never punctual unless this lockdown and this online classes happened. So this online class has taught me to be very punctual. At 8 o'clock, sharp 8 is chemistry class. Get up, rush, do online class, this, that. So that adrenaline rush has happened in my life, and so therefore I am very punctual where time is concerned now, currently. So I don't know, once this lockdown, this COVID and thing is gone, this COVID situation is cleared, since vaccine is out, touch wood, it's all should be cleared. Once this is out, when we go to school, we'll be all, what's happening? We are aliens from a different planet. It'll happen like that, I'm sure. So that is one thing I'm very grateful for. Number 4 that I'm very, very grateful for is I got disconnected from, this lockdown has actually taught me to be disconnected from useless and bad people. When this lockdown was not there, since I was meeting people, I didn't know their real side, because you hardly get to know what a person actually is until you know a person for a long time. And if you're meeting a person also, they hide their bad side, and they're very good to you and stuff. But this lockdown has taught me that not all people are actually good. Not all people are actually when they say that they love you, they don't mean that they love you, but they love you for something else. So I have got disconnected, and this lockdown has actually separated me from certain people who were not meant to be friends with me, or who were not meant to be a part of my life, which I'm very grateful for, that this lockdown has actually done for a good. This lockdown has actually told me that, Sarina, it's wrong, it's wrong, whatever, it's wrong. So it has separated me from certain people, and I'm happy it has, because I'm standing in a very good position today, and I'm very, very happy. But before this, I was all the time I was like, what's happening, but now I'm really, really happy, and thanks to lockdown it has taught me a lot. The 5th thing that I'm very, very grateful for is there was a time when we used to not be careful, that this person has this disease, move away from this person, and we used to do everything. Oh, my rubber band flew. We used to do everything but think about ourselves, what will happen to our health. Now the funniest part is in fact, when I go out, everyone is 6 feet distance. This is so scared of corona. 6 feet distance, everyone is, and it's so weird. But the best part is I'm grateful for the crowded places. There is no crowd anywhere anymore. I'm so happy. But sometimes I see crowd and I get irritated. I'm like, guys, COVID is still there. What is happening? But crowded places and traffic has lessened a lot because of COVID, by the way. So that I'm very grateful for. So these things, certain things I'm very, very grateful for, and it has made me a very happy person. You guys should share what has changed in your life during this COVID and lockdown period. Please do share with all of us in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to read each one of your comments. Whatever you say, I will be very happy to read them. Please say what are the things you're grateful for in the lockdown and COVID time. I hope you enjoyed what are the things I shared. If it has helped you in a way, please share with us. We would love to listen to your stories. I am so grateful. And one more thing that I'm very grateful is for in this lockdown, I started YouTube. Oh my god, I started YouTube in this lockdown. It's a great thing. I didn't know that I'm going. How could I forget this? My specs always goes up. How could I forget this thing? I'm so stupid. But I'm very grateful for YouTube also. Yeah, I'm so happy. And I have 97 subscribers. Hope to rise very, very soon. And I don't know when I'll be rising. Hopefully sometime. Not a great YouTuber now. Hopefully once in future. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. According to the drill of this, like, share, subscribe. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very soon in the next exciting vlog, because tomorrow I'm going, by the way, I'm shooting the Sunday video on Saturday, is because on Sunday I'm going for picnic to a place called Hudru Falls in Jharkhand, Ranchi. I'm very excited to do a vlog, and I will upload that vlog very, very soon. Maybe day after tomorrow I'll edit it and I'll upload it. But stay tuned until we meet. Toodles.